and today we'll be talking about digital dentistry and artificial intelligence.
Intraoral scanning is hassle-free. You can take as many retakes as you want.
You can always count on AI for everything. Is it a fact or fiction?
It's a fiction, not for everything.
When the patient says, I don't floss because my gums bleed.
My eyes are bleeding right now.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the 5th episode of the Smile Lounge, brought to you by ClearPath Orthodontics. I am Asad Iqbal and I'll be your host for today. And today we'll be talking about digital dentistry and artificial intelligence. Since modern problems require modern solutions, it is mandatory for us at ClearPath to talk about the digital revolution in the world of orthodontics. So today we have with us Dr. Ariba Yassin, who is the Assistant Director of Quality and Compliance at ClearPath Orthodontics. Assalamu alaikum, Dr.
Walaikum
Ariba.
assalam. Thank you, Ashraf. Thank you for having me, ClearPath.
Thank you so much. So we will be discussing over this podcast with Dr. Ariba the comparison of digital dentistry and traditional dentistry. We'll be busting some myths on the digital dentistry by playing some fun games, and we'll be talking about artificial intelligence in the world of orthodontics, and also most importantly we'll be talking about ClearPath Orthodontics and how it is on the forefront of the digital revolution in the world of orthodontics. Please tell us about your role at ClearPath and how do you incorporate digital dentistry in your work?
At ClearPath, I'm supposed to look at the treatment planning section, which is totally digital, and we aim at making a treatment plan which is actually a smile makeover and a functional makeover for the patients themselves, and it is overlooked by dentists and supervised by orthodontists. So my role in ClearPath is to work with cross-functional teams with the software development to develop new things and to incorporate latest technology which we have in dentistry worldwide. So this is what we do at ClearPath, and I'm really excited to be a part of this podcast today because digital dentistry is something which is which is booming right now worldwide, and we would really like to incorporate everything which we have learned so far and then combine it with our innovations at ClearPath and to give Pakistan the same sort of technology which we have worldwide.
That is beautiful, exactly. And before we dive into the topic and talk more about digital dentistry, we would love to hear some fun and memorable stories since you have seen the shift from the traditional ways to the digital and new ways. So we'd love to hear some of the stories back in the day.
Well, we have a lot of memories and a lot of mishaps with the traditional dentistry. The best thing I like about going tech savvy is the scanning. So back in the days when I was working at the hospital, so what we used to take impressions, and the thing is that you take a tray and then you load some material inside the tray and then you not show it but gently push it into the patient's mouth. So it was the initial days when we started to practice and we were taking an impression of a patient. So what happened was I think we loaded a lot of material on that tray and then we put it inside the patient's mouth, and then the patient was a little, concerned that what's happening and I can't breathe and I'm just having a gag reflex, and he's just raising his hand कि डॉक्टर साहिबा रुक जाए कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है मुझे सांस नहीं आ रहा. Obviously he's not able to talk, but he was gesturing this way. So we just kept consoling me, nahi, just 2 more minutes, it's going to get done. And then when we finally took out the impression from the mouth, it had the whole of the airway and whole of the soft palate inside. So the impression is supposed to be only the soft tissues, the cheeks and the teeth. So we went so deep inside that it had part of the throat as well. So when we took the impression out, it was such a huge impression, and before our supervisor could actually see, we just trimmed it and then we threw the part which was not supposed to be there into the bin, and yeah.
That means a lot of work for you as a dentist, for the patient, Vichara.
I think yes. Intraoral scanning is hassle-free. You can take as many retakes as you want, and the patient doesn't have any gag reflex, and it's so much easier for both the patient and the dentist and your assistant.
Honestly, it must have been so difficult for you guys as well to, you know, अगर कोई चीज़ सही नहीं हुई और फिर दोबारा से अगर करना पड़ा सारा प्रोसेस.
Exactly.
Yeah, totally.
It saves time, और every time you redo something तो आपका material waste होता है, and the material goes into the bin, and obviously वो सारा आपके environment friendly नहीं होता, decompose कैसे हो गया and things like that.
Yes.
So if you look at the digital part of that, taking impression, it's so much easy. If you take a scan right now, you can send it worldwide. You can send it anywhere you want. I mean, for example, if I take a scan in Pakistan, I can send it anywhere and get the treatment done from there. So I think yes, हमारी जो boundaries हैं वो expand हो गई हैं digitally या technology को incorporate करके. So and obviously patients are also very happy because they don't have to have the taste of that material inside.
Totally.
और when you take the impression out, आपके सारा थोड़ा सा चेहरा भी खराब हुआ होता है, material इधर उधर लग जाता है. So I think yeah, both of us are really happy with the introduction of technology in dentistry.
So Dr. Iba, talking about digital dentistry, I mean for our viewers, it's important for us कि हम थोड़ा सा बता दें कि what actually is digital dentistry and also what value does it add in the future of orthodontics.
Okay. So digital dentistry, as the word states, is something digital which you have to do, which you've introduced in dentistry. So if I compare, just as we've compared the taking an impression part with the scanning part, so this is one aspect where the technology has influenced dentistry. The other parts could be when you're making a crown. So crown is something कि अगर आपका natural tooth structure damage हो गया due to cavity, due to whatever reason, so you fabricate a crown in the lab and then you insert an artificial crown. Right, so this part of fabricating the crown in a lab using manual tools and using materials and then redoing if something isn't right. So this part has also been touched by digital dentistry in the sense जो lab work है वो अब आपका lab के बजाय एक आपके tech lab में change हो गया है. So we have softwares which are supposed to do that right now. You don't have to call in the patient multiple times. You just design it. You can actually share the smile outcome of the patient, और इसका impact बहुत ज़्यादा patient motivation में हुआ है, especially in orthodontic treatments, be it aligners, be it fixed braces. पहले क्या होता था, आपका patient आया and then you take their impression, you make the plan. There was nothing to show to the patient. The patient would have no idea कि how am I going to end up after the treatment. So बस आपको orthodontist या dentist ही बता देंगे this is how your smile can look like and this is what you are trying to achieve. But with digital technology, what you can actually do is you can show the whole smile makeover to the patient. Veneers के साथ, crowns, bridges, implants, treatment planning, aligners के साथ, orthodontic braces के साथ. So you can actually show the patient that this is where you are right now. आपकी crowding है, crooked smile है, spacing है, या uneven chipped off teeth है, and this is what you're going to be, how your smile is going to look like after like 1 year or 2 years. So this is a very big robust motivation for the patient कि वो actual में आपके साथ compliant होंगे, वो अपनी hygiene maintain करेंगे, clinical visits आपके वैसे तो कम हो गए हैं, but whenever you call in the patient, they're actually motivated. Okay, ठीक है, mid stage में this is 50% मेरा यहाँ तक अचीव हो गया भाई, and I'm just left like with another 50%. So digital dentistry is basically incorporating the technology in the traditional dentistry methods which we have, and we have so many examples in dentistry right now जहाँ पे आप digitalize कर सकते हो. And as the world progresses, we are trying to incorporate AI into it. We've actually incorporated AI in a lot of aspects. We can talk about it later. And similarly, जो भी आपका lab work या manual work था, वो actually अब change हो गया है into softwares and technology and digital work.
Yeah, so definitely we'll talk more about the AI part of it. And also, yes, amazing. It's amazing कि अगर एक patient आ रहा है with all the hopes and he can actually see कि what's gonna go, how does the future looks like for him. It is amazing. I think it's an amazing revolution. So Dr. Iba, now it's time for a fun segment. We have a bonus segment right here. It's called Fact or Fiction, I'll be stating some bold statements to you, and आपको फिर उसमें से select करना है कि which one is a fact and which one is fiction. So the first one is, you can always count on AI for everything. Is it a fact or fiction?
It's a fiction, not for everything. There's so
for
many
everything.
things which still require human intervention and human touch.
And I love that, love this
The
fact.
little customization
Yeah.
by the humans.
Robots will be the new dentists.
No, not at all.
Digital dentistry is only for big city clinics.
Nope. Just as mobile phones are everywhere,
Okay.
so will be digital dentistry.
Right.
Yeah.
But where is it right now? Are they everywhere, or are they just in big cities?
Yes, there are everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Scanning and then portal, everything has become so easy to use because you don't need to go somewhere or have some very special connection or very special laptop to use all of that. You can use it on your phone. So yes, it's everywhere, even in the very rural areas as well.
Right. That's
As long
great.
as you have a laptop or a phone or an internet connection.
So patient trusts screen more than their dentists.
I'm not sure. Sometimes they trust a lot of things which TikTok has to say.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That is true, because आपके पास भी हम reviews वगैरह और YouTube पे सबसे पहले तो देख कर आते हैं process dentist के पास कि कैसे हो रहा है.
Which is good in the sense कि आप apprehend कर रहे हो कि what's going to
Research कर रहे हो
happen.
अपने. हाँ.
But at the same time they become their own doctors कि नहीं ये तो ऐसे होना था.
Oh.
Especially there's something going on coconut oil के बारे में. If you swish coconut oil for 5 minutes, it's going to take care of the calculus you have or the hygiene जो भी है वो आपका असर कर लेगा, पता नहीं क्या कर लेगा.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I don't know how true that
How do
is.
you deal with such?
We listen to them. एम्पैथाइज करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं हम बिल्कुल राइट अवे उसको रिव्यूट करने के लिए ऐसा तो ही नहीं आपने पता नहीं कहाँ से सुन लिया. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी डोंट discourage them to do all of that thing because अगर आपको faith है तो आप कर लो, but at the same time don't stop going to the dentist or the doctor.
Yeah,
एक professional
totally.
help आपको चाहिए even though no matter जितने भी आप वो देसी टोटके कर रहे होते हो.
Professional help बिल्कुल चाहिए. Yes. The last one is, AI will make treatment planning so easy, dental schools will become optional.
AI will make planning very easy, yes, that's a fact. But dental schools can never be optional. You still have to have a traditional learning method. Just because अगर आपको traditional values का या traditional methods का पता होगा, that's when you can use AI to your benefit.
That is a very good point. Yes. जब तक आपको पूरा traditional ways का नहीं पता होगा, तो I guess shift करना
Exactly.
is not really beneficial for you. What do you think? Shifting from all these new fancy tools, as fancy as it sounds, but isn't it intimidating? Like shifting from the traditional ways to the digital ways. So was it intimidating for you at first?
Yes. Anything which you don't know is going to be intimidating until you know about it.
Yeah.
So, for example, if you're in a dark room, you're going to feel like there are some shadows moving and things like that. But the moment you turn the light on, that's when you can actually see what's inside the room. So, similarly, if you don't know about digital dentistry and all the technology, it's all going to be really difficult words and very difficult concepts to grab. But the moment you start learning about it, you just take the first step, and that's when you feel like, "Nee, this was so much easier. I should have done it earlier." But even learning it right now is the right time. So for digital dentistry, what I would like to say is learning about it was the right time was yesterday, but even today is fine. But tomorrow is going to be too late. So I think for the young dentists we have, and even the experienced dentists we have, I think this is the right time to start experimenting with these tools because it's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save a lot of clinical chairside time for the patient, and it's going to reduce the number of appointments for which you have to call in the patient at the clinic. So your patient is going to be happy, your patient is going to be motivated, and at the same time you're going to have time to cater to more different patients, and you can actually increase your practice volume.
Definitely. So, talking about the patients, what do you think? Patients, are they more satisfied? Digital revolution we have.
One short answer is going to be yes.
Yeah.
But to explain it a little bit, patient can see what they're going to do in the next few months. I mean, if the patient wants to have aligners, you can show it to them and the patient can actually get it changed. For example, patient कहेगा कि नहीं मुझे इस तरह की shape नहीं चाहिए, this is the shape I desire, and you can actually change it. इसमें क्या हुआ कि आपका material cost नहीं है because you haven't actually made it right now. You're just showing it digitally, so you can modify it as much as you can according to the patient. So patients are very receptive towards it because they can actually see what's going to happen in the next few months.
कोई ऐसी चीज है which digital dentistry can't replace yet?
Digital dentistry or AI or everything we're talking about, it hasn't replaced anything. It has only made it better, or let's say it has innovated it. So what I think, a lot of people think that AI is going to replace us, jobs आपकी कम हो जाएंगी, robots आ जाएंगी, हो जाएगा. The thing is कि AI is not going to replace anyone or any of the methods. It can innovate, it can improve, it can do things a lot better than the traditional methods. And what actually is going to might happen is that the dentists who use AI can replace the dentists who don't use AI. So it's humans replacing humans with AI, but not AI replacing humans entirely. But people who benefit from AI can actually replace the people who cannot benefit from AI.
Definitely.
So same is the case in dentistry. We have so many aspects where we utilize AI, be it treatment planning, be it portal, be it viewer.
That was great, and we have another game with us. It's called meme reactions, और इसमें मैं आपको statements का बताऊंगा और आपने उनको react करना है through memes. ठीक है? So we have the first one. Spend 5 years in dental school to be told by a TikTok that coconut oil cures cavities. Exactly what you said as well.
Yeah.
What's your reaction?
I wish I could do that to the patient who say that coconut oil is going to cure every one of your cavity.
Explaining to the patient they need a root canal and they reply, but it doesn't hurt anymore, so I'll wait. True. You ask the patient to open wide and they say it is wide while barely unhinging their jaw like a sleepy hamster.
Yeah, that happens a lot. When you ask the patient to bite और वो पता नहीं किस angle से bite करते हैं, they forget कि वो कभी जिंदगी में bite भी करते थे.
Okay.
It's so difficult to make a patient bite correctly.
When the patient says I don't floss because my gums bleed.
My eyes are bleeding right now.
You explain to a patient what plaque is. They asked if they could just brush harder.
Yeah, you can do that and get rid of all of your teeth. Because the harder you brush, the more damage you're doing to the teeth.
Really?
So yeah, you can do that if you want. If you want to have a denture with no teeth, you do that.
You tell the patient to stop chewing ice. They say, but it's just so satisfying.
Trying to comprehend what satisfaction is for you.
You just finish explaining treatment in detail and patient says, so what do you think I should do? Totally agree.
What did I just say that for
Yeah.
the past 5 minutes?
That's it for the meme section, and now we have a rapid fire section. तो आपने जल्दी जल्दी से reply करना है, ठीक है? So, Dr. Eva, manual impression trays versus intraoral scanner, what would you pick?
Scanner.
ठीक है? Stonecast versus 3D digital models.
Digital models, environmental friendly. Yep.
Face-to-face case discussion versus portal chat with treatment planner.
Both. Face to face has its own benefits.
Interesting. Yes. Waiting for career updates versus live case tracking on the
Live
portal.
tracking on the way.
Telling patients the plan verbally versus showing them an AI simulation.
Showing. Seeing is believing.
Perfect, Dr. Eva. So I think that too, in any kind of work, in any kind of department, it is very important for anyone to learn the innovation techniques, and technology के साथ साथ पढ़ना is very important. But yes, you will be redundant in the coming days. So Dr. Eva, talking about ClearPath Orthodontics, since we know that ClearPath is a big name in the clear aligner sector, and we have been exporting our clear aligners in 26 plus different countries, and it is because that how fast we have incorporated the innovation and the new digital ways in our manufacturing process. So viewers would like to know that where does ClearPath stand in all this right now?
About ClearPath, I'm actually very proud to be a part of ClearPath team, because ClearPath has been the one organization who has actually laid down the foundation of digital dentistry in Pakistan, and it's been doing so for the past 17 plus years. So I think, being a very proud member of ClearPath family, I would like to say that we just don't stop there. We bring innovations, and then after a bit, when we experiment, we do some research and development. We don't stop there, we try to improve every day. And I think we have had so many researches which are also published, and so many different innovations in our technology. Not just we don't take technology only from Pakistan, but globally as well. So I think it's a very big innovation, and it's a very big thing that we are working in an organization who keeps improving themselves. And be it the softwares, be it the different kind of variables which we have, let's say in printing or in other aspects of aligner manufacturing, we keep changing the variables, be it a very tiny variable, be it even the nano variables. We experiment at that level, going into the details, how everything is going to impact the aligners, the patient treatment, and the treatment outcomes. So if we have so many happy customers, obviously we have an internal satisfaction that we are doing something right. And the best part is we keep innovating. We don't stop that. Okay, ठीक है, हमने ये technology ला ली है, now we just have to incorporate it, and that's it. We're not going to do any more research on it. We keep inventing, we keep innovating, we keep experimenting different things.
That's what ClearPath does, yes. And talking about softwares that we have, and since we've talked about how ClearPath is bringing the technology that has been working globally, and अब हमारे पास किस तरह है, तो yes, let's talk about the portal, since ClearPath has a new portal, new dentist portal. What exactly can a dentist do inside a portal?
So for the portal is actually a viewing and a monitoring tool for the dentists and the orthodontists. So the portal is a tool where you can submit your cases, where you can upload the photographic records and the radiographic records of the patient. And then on top of that, you can actually monitor where your patient's case is right now in the whole of ClearPath. So basically, you can submit your case as a dentist. आप वहाँ पे RX अपनी fill करो, whatever instructions you have regarding treatment planning, regarding any customization for the manufacturing, you can add it in the portal. You don't have to log in your emails every time to check where the case is. You don't have to call the customer support and ask where the case is right now, or give us any instructions. So this is like one-stop solution for everything. प्लानिंग से लेके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से लेके पेशेंट की ट्रीटमेंट कंप्लीट हो गई, उसके बाद उन्होंने रिटेनर्स अगर सबमिट करने हैं या अगर रिफाइनमेंट की ज़रूरत है, सो यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग ऑल इन वन portal. And we have both desktop version as well as the mobile version, so you don't really need to carry a laptop for that. You can upload your scans, you can upload your patient's pictures, you can upload your radiographs over there. And on top of that, you can communicate with the treatment planning department, you can communicate with the customer support. अगर आपको बीच में कोई भी problem है, you can ask your questions there, and you're going to get a response within like less than a day.
Talking about digital workflows, digital dentistry, I guess this is a very good example of how ClearPath is incorporating it. It's been there for a couple of months now. So have you heard something from our dentist? Any kind of have you received any kind of feedback?
Oh yes, the dentists love it. Because it's so much easier to monitor the patients. And at any time of the day, you can just log in your portal, and then you can see where the case is. You don't have to track it. We're also going to have live tracking system in that. So if the case is shipped from ClearPath, you can actually track how many days it's going to take. So at any time, I mean, आप रात को भी उठ के अगर अपना लॉग इन करना चाहें, आपको याद है हाँ ठीक है इस पेशेंट को मैंने ट्रैक करना था कहाँ पर है, so you can do that. On top of that, you can actually view the treatment plan in the portal as well. So and you can share it with your patient. So this has become very easy for the dentist क्योंकि आपको हर बार emails के ऊपर back and forth communicate नहीं करना पड़ता. आप एक ही डेंटिस्ट चैट टैब है उसके अंदर पोर्टल के अंदर और उसी केस को आप बार बार ट्रैक कर सकते हो. एंड इवन आफ्टर लाइक 2 years or 3 years if your patient comes back for any problem या relapse हो गया उसने retainers नहीं पहने, you can order your refinement aligners जो finishing aligners होते हैं for very few very tiny movements. So you can do that without digging through your emails कि उसका record कहाँ पर है, कौन सा patient था, उसके मैं scans ढूंढूंगा, pictures ढूंढूंगा. So you can do that all in the portal. And we're just not stopping there. We're going to incorporate more things there.
This is amazing that we are helping and making lives easier for our dentists and also our patients, like both ways. And so there's one more software that you might use a lot, and I've heard that we have a new one. We have redesigned it. It's a 3D viewer. So tell us a bit more about that. What is it for our viewers?
So viewer is something we're all very excited about, and I'm really looking forward to when we actually launch it.
Yeah.
So viewer is going to be our own in-house treatment planning software. So I think this is a first in ClearPath, and on top of that, we already had a viewer, but we just revamped it with so many more features. I'm not going to disclose everything, but I'm just going to give you a little bit teaser of that. You can actually modify the plan yourself. Being a dentist, the plan is in your hands. अगर आपको कोई movement different करनी है या कोई attachment auxiliaries add करनी है, you can do that right then and there. You don't have to ask for a modification, or you don't have to type in everything you want. You can just move the teeth and you can submit it to ClearPath, and we're going to replicate it as it is. On top of that, we're going to have some really exciting analysis features. So this is a first for any treatment viewer in Pakistan. So I think when we finally launch it, it's going to be really, really impactful for the patients and for the doctors as well. And eventually we have plans on adding more innovations into it. And as I said, we don't stop. हमने व्यूअर बना लिया, ऐसा नहीं कि व्यूअर बना के बस that's it, हमने हमारा काम खत्म. We're going to keep innovating it, and even now that it hasn't been launched, we have so many more plans for the future. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
That is great, Dr. Eva. So let's talk about AI now. When we talk about AI, people usually think of ChatGPTs, robots, but it's more than that. And we want to know, how does ClearPath incorporate the AI in its clinical features?
So we have a lot of plans for incorporating AI in our viewer. But for now, what we actually do is we have softwares, right? So the softwares make the plan of the patient, जिसमें initial पे crowding होती है या spacing होती है, whatever it is, and then later on you have a very beautiful spine. So what plans we have is to actually incorporate AI in this section, and to make sure that whatever the biological movements we set into the software are going to be replicated or checked by the AI. So we are going to reduce human intervention at this aspect of the viewer. And actually, after we have the aligner shipped and manufactured and the patient has started wearing it, what we can actually do is we are planning to have some remote monitoring as well. So this part of AI has not been experimented a lot in dentistry right now, but this is going to make life so much easier. So remotely आप patient को track कर सकते हो कि अगर for example the patient is at aligner number 10, or even if it fixed braces, they're wearing aligner number 10. So how well are they tracking? Are their teeth actually moving the same way as you've planned? So we are planning in our future goals to incorporate AI both in the treatment planning aspect, both in the quality control section, and in the section where you have to monitor the patient and the progress.
So we have talked about it before, but what do you think? How important is dentist expert judgment in all of this in the part of AI? Do we still need it?
Yes, actually, as I've said, every individual is going to respond differently to the treatment. I mean, for example, we have 100 people, but they're given the same type of treatment, but their reaction is going to be different. It depends on your bone, it depends on your soft tissues. So you cannot expect an AI or just one model to do the same sort of planning for everyone. Because everyone's teeth is going to be different, everyone's bite, occlusion, and the requirement is going to be different. So AI cannot replace the human intervention. Human intervention or dentist's intervention is still required, because a dentist can judge if this case is an extraction case or if this case is better off without extraction. So AI can be a co-pilot, but it's not going to override what you're actually doing right now.
It is a bit of a learning curve when it comes to AI. So we'd love to hear from you that how do we train people when it comes to artificial intelligence, when it comes to basically our digital workflows? How do we train people who are working with us since like 10, 15 years?
Yeah, so as you've already mentioned and asked me about the intimidation of the word AI.
Yep.
Yes, that's true. People are intimidated by it at first. But once we start demystifying it, that's when they're very much receptive towards it. And that's when they realize that things can be so much easier when we actually incorporate and we use AI to our benefit. So what it does to our team is that पहला reaction यही होता है, acceptance नहीं होता. So when you start telling them that this is how it's going to work, it does not mean कि आपने सब कुछ उसी के ऊपर छोड़ देना है. You still have to overlook each aspect of it. It's just going to help you make more accurate plans and make plans according to the values you have set in the software. So, but that does not mean कि आप उसको बिल्कुल try ही ना करो just because you are very versed in your ways of traditional times. So first of all, what we do is we try to add more acceptance towards them. Once we have it, it's a very smooth run after that. People start using it so frequently that जो भी आपके reports वगैरह होती हैं, quality control हो गया, treatment planning की reports होगी, वो सारी बहुत easily आप at the touch of one click आप कर सकते हो. So AI acceptance क्लियर बात में बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है. People love it and people actually save a lot of time. जो भी वो mundane या monotonous काम पहले कर रहे होते थे, now they can actually assign some tasks to the AI model we have developed and that's it.
They can focus on the more important
the
things.
focus has been converged towards things which actually require human intervention.
Demystifying is the word that you used, which is I'm gonna stick with it a lot. And on the contradictory side of this question, what do you think is required from a dentist to ace this kind of role with AI?
I think at this point, if someone doesn't know anything about digital dentistry or AI or technology or softwares, that's okay. But you need to take the first step, because once you take the first step, you're going to enjoy it so much and it's going to make your life so much easier that you're going to complete your journey and then you're actually going to start innovating things in dentistry. So whatever inventions, whatever innovations we have in dentistry right now, it's going to benefit everyone. So for the starters, I would like to say just take the first step and that's it. Just do it right now, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, do it right now.
So Dr. Eva, since AI is a big force and basically used to streamline the processes and making it faster, तो उसको हम treatment planning में किस तरह कर रहे हैं use to streamline that process?
We have plans, but I think in an ideal world, what I would like to see AI doing that is you have your set values of the biological limits. I mean, obviously, आप मोलर पकड़ के किनाइन की जगह पे नहीं रख सकते हो, ठीक है? You have boundaries जहाँ तक आप एक tooth को move कर सकते हो. So what we can do is incorporate those values in the system. It can be different for each patient, but we have general or an average set of values, right? So we have so many different steps before we have to make a plan. पहले scanning होता है and then you have some segmentation and then it incorporates in the software and then software की development वगैरह चल रही होती है. So all these processes can actually be automated. You just add scans in the software and the software is going to give you a very nice looking arch. अगर crowding है, spacing है, तो आप अपने principles उसमें incorporate कर सकते हो. That if the patient has this amount of spacing, so this is the final result which should be. So based on the average values, the AI can give you an ideal plan right away. So currently, if it takes like a couple of hours to do that, AI can do the same in like a few minutes. So इसमें yoga कि you can actually save a lot of time. You can increase the number of cases which you are treating, and then you can have a human intervention who are going to overlook कि जो भी इनिशियल प्लान बनाया है वो एक्चुअल में आपकी बायोलॉजिकल बाउंड्रीज के विद इन है या नहीं, पेशेंट की जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं या डॉक्टर की जो डिमांड्स है कि मेरी ट्रीटमेंट आउटकम में ये चाहिए, काउस भी हो गया, आपका डिफरेंट इंक्लिनेशंस वगैरह होगी, दिस इज़ हाउ इट्स सपोज टू बी. उसके लिए यू कैन हैव अ ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन. But the whole process, which usually takes up to a couple of hours, can be reduced to only a very few minutes.
थोड़े से सवाल ये हैं कि what do you think what's next in the world of orthodontics and what excites you the most?
I think right now we're very excited for our new treatment planning viewer to be launched, and for the whole world, I think what's going to make a difference is remote treatment monitoring. You don't have to call in the patient at your clinic every month to track how their teeth are doing, or अगर आपने braces लगाई हुई हैं, aligners लगाए हुए हैं. So I think for globally it's going to have a very big impact. Both आपके carbon footprint कम होगा क्योंकि आपके patients बहुत ज़्यादा visit नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप remotely उनको monitor कर रहे हैं, plus accuracy. You can actually integrate the treatment plan, whatever you have, with the state of the dentition which is in the patient's mouth right now. In future, having the remote monitoring option is going to change the lives of the patients and the dentists as well.
And that is what you are excited about as well. So yes, carbon footprint की भी जो आपने बात की globally बहुत affect करेगा, और I guess globally ये चीज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो भी रही है.
Yeah, that's right.
And yeah, definitely. So Dr. Reba, any final messages, if you have any, for like emerging doctors, emerging dentists? Anything you want to say?
For the emerging dentists, I would like to say that take that step today and learn how to use AI and learn how you can unleash the power of AI in your clinics, in your practices, and even in your businesses. Don't be intimidated by it. Try to learn it and try to harness that power. And by doing so, you're going to able to make so many choices for your patients, for yourself, which are going to impact each and every one of your lives.
Thank you, Dr. Reba.
Thank you for having me, and it was really interesting talking about advancements we had.
And to all our amazing listeners, AI is here not to replace us, but to empower us. And we have to remember that, and we have to let AI help us in that. And to all the dentists listening, if you're not on the ClearPath Dentist portal yet, ab waqt aa gaya hai. Head over to our website clearpathortho.com, sign up and explore the tools we are building for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep evolving, and as always, keep smiling. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest news, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.